Supporters from Zimbabwe's ruling ZANU-PF party celebrate Friday's constitutional court ruling. 9 judges unanimously said the main opposition leader Nelson Chamisa has no case.
The court finds that the applicant has failed to place before it clear, direct, sufficient and credible evidence that the irregularities that he alleges marred the election process materially existed. In other words, there was no proof of the happenings of these irregularities as a matter of fact.
Lawyers representing the opposition MDC alliance believe it wasn't a fair judgment.
So ultimately, the court having spoken, the good thing is also that the people followed through the proceedings. They are entitled by law to come up with their own conclusions. But there is a serious legitimacy issue which still remains.
The election board admits it made some clerical data capture errors. That meant revising MNANGAGWA'S initial total of votes he won from 50.8 to 50.67%. They insist this did not change the outcome of the poll. According to the Constitution, the winner has to be sworn in within 48 hours. That means President MNANGAGWA'S inauguration will be on Sunday. Opposition leaders insist the election was rigged, and they say they'll carry on fighting. The court's decision is final. There is no room for an appeal.
We are going to act within the law. Whatever we are going to do, we are going to do these things within the law. We are going to convene the National Council of the party on Wednesday, and this will come with the way forward.
Violence shortly after voting day itself had raised tensions. The army shot at protesters who were unhappy with the delay in releasing the results. 6 people were killed. The main opposition leader, Nelson Chamisa, says his supporters are still being systematically targeted. Emmerson MNANGAGWA won by a narrow margin. Political analysts say he now has to try and unite a deeply divided country. He also needs to turn around Zimbabwe's struggling economy, but he needs outside help to do that. Haru, Mutasa, Al Jazeera, Harare.